Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are well. So from today we are going to start our online class. So I welcome you all in our English grammar class. Today we are going to learn about noun. Before moving on, if I ask you something, just give me one word for noun. What that word could be? What will you say? What you can call for noun in one word? Think. Okay, I give you an example. We can say naming words. The words that name anything. So, the definition of noun is a noun is a word which names a person, place, animal, thing, or even an idea. I repeat the definition. A noun is a word which names a person, place, animal, thing, or even an idea. Idea means if there is ongoing going in your mind, or you are feeling something and you name it, it becomes noun. So let's see some examples. Name of persons. In it, we can say any person, like our helpers, doctor, nurse, police, military man, carpenter, cobbler. All these are names of person. Here I have selected some of them. Neha, doctor, driver, teacher. Now, now the noun means name of places also. You know many places. You know many places like restaurant, temple, market, beach, cities, anything, anything that you know as a place, all are called noun. For example, temple, Delhi, beach, market. Now noun means things also. So in it, you can say many things in your house like bed, sofa, table, wall, window, fan, spoon, anything that you can see in your house, that all things are called nouns. For example, book, pen, ball, pizza. Now noun means animals also. In animals, we can say wild animals and domestic animals. So here I have selected some of them. Dog, cat, cow, lion. Idea. Idea means which we cannot touch it, but we can feel it. For example, happiness. Happiness we can feel it. We cannot touch happiness. We only feel it. Love. Love also we cannot touch. We only feel love. Sad. Kind. All these are, we cannot touch them, but we feel them. So they are also called nouns. Let's see some more examples. See first example. Ram goes to his house. In this first example, Ram and house both are nouns because Ram is a name of a person and house is a name of place. Second example, Vedika is my best friend. In this example, Vedika and friend both are nouns because Vedika is name of girl and friend is also name of a person. Third example, I live in India. In this third example, India is a name of a place. So, India is noun. I love to play with my dog. In this example, dog is a noun because dog is a name of an animal. Last sentence, I visited the Taj Mahal in India. In this sentence, Taj Mahal is a place and India is also name of country. So it is also a name of place. So both are nouns. So see in these examples, Ram, house, Vedika, friend, India, dog, Taj Mahal. All these are name of a persons, name of places, name of things, name of animals. So we can call them as a noun. I hope you all are understood. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.